Obama's White House doctor sounds the alarm over Biden's mental state, becoming so bad it's now a national security issue. Rep. Ronnie Jackson of Texas, who was the White House physician to former Presidents George W. Bush, Barack Obama, and Donald Trump, said President Joe Biden's deteriorating mental sharpness should alarm all Americans. The congressman said the gibberish often spouted by the 78-year-old Democrat shows a cognitive decline that likely will lead to his removal from office as it poses a national security threat. There is something seriously going on with this man right now, Jackson told Fox News on Thursday. I think that he's either gonna resign, they are going to convince him to resign from office at some point in the near future for medical issues, or they are going to have to use the 25th Amendment to get rid of this man right now. There is some serious stuff going on right now. Jackson said he believes Biden's cabinet has serious reservations about him and that other Democrats and the establishment media will soon jump on the bandwagon to oust him. This is a national security issue at this point, he said. The congressman tweeted Thursday that the president is lost. He's confused. He can barely put a coherent sentence together. He must have a cognitive exam and release the results. Jackson has been sounding the alarm about Biden's dwindling mental acuity for the past 2 years. I have been saying that it's only going to get worse, and guess what, we are watching that happen right before our eyes right now, he said on Fox News. Jackson pointed out that the people who disingenuously questioned Trump's mental fitness for 4 years are now curiously silent about Biden's bewildering babbling. Where are the people in our academic medicine that were out there calling for President Trump to have a cognitive test? Where are these people? The congressman continued. To illustrate why he's terrified for our country, Jackson posted a viral video clip from CNN's rating-starved town hall in which Biden stammered incoherently in response to a question about the coronavirus vaccine. When asked when children under 12 will be able to be vaccinated, the president gave a jumbled answer. That's underway, he stammered. Just like the other question, there is a logical, and I have heard you speak about it because you always, I'm not being solicitous, but you are always straight up about what you are doing. And the question is whether or not we should be in a position where you are. Why can't the experts say, we know that this virus is, in fact, it's going to be, or, excuse me, we know why all the drugs approved are not temporarily approved, but permanently approved. That's underway too. I expect that to occur too quickly. The congressman repeatedly has urged Biden to take a mental fitness test and release the results. Trump took a cognitive test when he was in office and said he got a perfect score. In March, Jackson openly questioned whether Biden had the capacity to do his job. In mid-June, he joined a group of Republicans urging Biden to take a mental fitness test. Several weeks later, the physician renewed his suggestion, saying the country no longer can laugh off Biden's lapses as mere gaffes because his struggles have gone far beyond minor verbal slips. You don't need to be a physician to look at this behavior and see there is something concerning happening, Jackson said 2 weeks ago. The American people deserve full transparency on the mental capabilities of their highest elected leader, he explained. The weakness Biden is projecting has emboldened America's foreign adversaries. It's not a coincidence that the border is under siege at the same time that both Russia and China have ramped up cyber attacks that could cripple US infrastructure and decimate its economy. The United States is in survival mode, and Biden is asleep at the wheel.